Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most beautiful and fascinating creatures in nature, butterflies. Do you all know what a butterfly looks like? Pause for responses. That's right. They have colorful wings that flutter gracefully when they fly. Butterflies come in many colors like red, yellow, blue, and even orange. Each one is like a living piece of art. Now, let me tell you a special secret about butterflies. They don't start out as butterflies at all. They begin their lives as tiny eggs, usually laid on a leaf. From those eggs, something amazing happens. They hatch into caterpillars. These caterpillars are very hungry. They love to eat leaves and grow bigger and bigger. After a while, something even more incredible happens. The caterpillar stops eating and finds a safe place to rest. It wraps itself in a cozy blanket called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the caterpillar undergoes an amazing transformation. It turns into a butterfly. It's like magic happening right before our eyes. When the butterfly is ready, it breaks out of the chrysalis and unfolds its wings. Can you imagine how it feels to stretch out your wings for the first time? Now, the butterfly can fly from flower to flower. It uses its long, straw-like tongue called a proboscis to sip sweet nectar from the flowers. In return, butterflies help flowers grow by spreading pollen. Butterflies are not just beautiful, they are also very important to our world. They help flowers make seeds, and they are a sign that our environment is healthy. Next time you see a butterfly fluttering by, remember how amazing they are and how they change from a tiny egg into a beautiful butterfly. Maybe you can even try to spot different kinds of butterflies with different colors and patterns. Thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a wonderful day exploring and learning about butterflies.